Have you...
Okay, go push it down.
Slow.
Woohoo! Look at it go.
Okay.
Might want to finish our coffees first.
That's really disgusting.
Just go, go, go.
Hello. You get to watch us make coffees 24/7. Yeah. So how's life? Oh, look at that, look at that. Right. Right, what's the time? What's 23:38?
What's that mean?
It's 11:30, isn't it? Yeah. It is 11:30 p.m. on Thursday, the 1st of May. 1st of May. And we're going to be hypo till 6 in the morning. Oh my god, no. We're gonna give the Reds coffee.
Just jokes.